Just like the entire Mishnah is called the Shas, so too the entire Talmud is also called the Shas. Each volume of the Talmud has the Mishnah and Gemara of one Masechet. For hundreds of years after it was composed, the Shas was copied by hand. If you wanted to get the Shas, you had to find someone who had a set, borrow it, and take it to a scribe who would copy it for you. This was difficult and expensive, but the Jewish people loved the Torah, so they were always willing to do whatever it takes to have a set of the Shas. When the printing press was invented, Jews began to print many holy Sfarim. Some Masechtot of the Shas were printed by the Sansino family in Italy about 500 years ago. They had the idea of printing the commentaries of Rashi and the Tosafot right on the same page as the Talmud itself. That's how it's done even today. Later on, the whole Shas was printed for the first time in Venice, Italy. A non-Jew called Daniel Bomberg loved the Jews and the Torah. He gave a great deal of money to a group of Torah scholars so that they could work on printing a beautiful Shas. About 130 years ago, the Shas was printed by the Ram family in Vilna, a city in Lithuania. Nowadays, every Shas has exactly the same pages as the Vilna Shas which the Ram family printed. This means that everyone who studies Gemara anywhere in the world sees the same pages. So, if you have a question about a line of Gemara in Masechet Bava Metzia on page 21, you'll be able to send your question to a rabbi on the other side of the world. He will be able to take out his Masechet Bava Metzia, look up page 21, and see exactly what line you're talking about.